Hey, what's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal what I believe to be the best high-ticket affiliate program to join. Now, I've been online the last 6 years. I've invested my money into many different programs. Most of them promise the world. You get involved and they never deliver. But as you can see on the screen right here, this $2,000 high-ticket commission came in, and it came in because I'm using a simple automated system that I'm going to share how you can access as well inside of this video. Now, it's not just me that's getting results. Real quick, I want to share with you some results of our team members that are actually using the same exact thing. You can see right here, Nate, he said, boom, another $2,000 commission rolled in before rolling out of bed. So this guy, again, the guy that's using the same exact system that I'm going to share with you, the same exact affiliate program that pays high ticket commissions. He was able to generate this. You can see that this email came in and he said, before rolling out of bed. Okay, so with the process I'm going to share in this video, you can literally be up $2,000 before you even start your day. Okay, so how amazing would that feel? You can see this person right here, another team member of this program, Wong. He said, 2K commission pop up while having my dinner. So basically, this person was having dinner with his family, and he was still able to generate a $2,000 commission. Now, the cool thing about this high-ticket affiliate marketing program is not only can you use our exact system, and it's actually a 3-step process, which I'm going to reveal inside this video, but another thing is when you make a commission with this specific program, you get paid instantly. So if you've seen other videos or if you've done research on other programs, typically you have to wait 2 weeks up to a month to receive the money. But with this specific program, you get paid right away. Alan, okay, he says, incredibly grateful. Just continue driving traffic. And so he just used free traffic, okay? Never give up, just keep going. And you can see right here that he made a $2,000 commission, okay? So again, you're seeing that this is working over and over again. Okay, so these are the 3 simple steps to receiving instant $2,000 commissions. So step number 1 is basically we're going to create an account inside of this high ticket program. So in order to do that, there's going to be a link directly below this video. All you have to do is click that link and you'll get taken to a page that looks like this. Now, what you want to do on this page is you want to just click this orange button, and this is going to ask you to put in your name and your best email. Now, what this will do is once you put your name and email in, it's going to do 2 things. Once you submit that, 1, you're going to get redirected to this page here. And then also you're going to get an email with a link to a free 4-day affiliate marketing crash course. Now that 4-day affiliate marketing crash course, I highly recommend you go through the modules because it's going to really teach you how to do high ticket affiliate marketing successfully. But if you just want to cut to the chase and you just want to start to get the same results that we're getting as far as these $2,000 instant commissions, then what you want to do is you can just find one of these orange get started buttons, okay? And you just want to click that. Now that's going to take you to this page here to register for an account inside this high ticket affiliate program. So all you have to do is, again, fill out your first name, last name, username, okay, so create a username there, password, put in your address, and then just click submit. Now, the reason you want to sign up to this is because this is, again, the high ticket affiliate program. Now, this is E1U Life. If you haven't heard of it, again, it's revolutionary in a way because they're really able to pay us instant, virtually 100% commissions, okay, up to about 90% commissions. So it's really powerful and it's really simple. So once you actually sign up and you log in, you'll get taken to your back office. Now, when you actually scroll down inside your back office, you're going to see these 8 different levels that you can decide to come in to this program at, okay? Now, the one that I personally recommend you join at, if we go back to our steps, is step number 2. You want to activate the Vertex Live package. Now, I say Vertex Live, ideally Vertex Live or higher, but the minimum Vertex Live. You can see Vertex Live is right here. Now, the reason you want to activate that one or higher is this is going to qualify you to make those $2,000 commissions, just like myself, and just like my teammates, okay? So all you have to do to activate Vertex Live is simply click on it, okay? And that will pop up this pop-up right here. And this is where you activate your package. Now, Vertex Live is just a one-time $2,500 payment. And all you have to do is click this continue to checkout orange button there, and it will take you to the safe and secure order form. Just go ahead, fill out your information, put a debit or credit card in there, put the country of the card, and then just go ahead and click that orange button to pay, okay? Now, once you pay that one-time payment, you will unlock the levels right here, okay? So these will all be unlocked. You unlock the level you join at and the levels under it, and this will also qualify you to earn those big $2,000 commissions. Now what I want to do is I want to share with you how you can actually access our system that will start working on autopilot to follow up and convert your leads for you, and how to actually get traffic to that funnel so you can start to get leads and sales. So you can see right here, step number 3, it says receive 200 clicks of traffic. So what happens is once you actually sign up and you log in, okay, to your back office, what will happen is you will actually see where it says My Links. Okay, so you want to click on My Links, and in the My Links, they'll have all these different funnels that you can actually choose. Now, the one I personally recommend, the one that my team and I are using, is this one right here. Okay, so at the time of recording, it's the 6th opt-in one. So you would just go there and you would just literally take your link right there. Okay, now if I go to this, you're going to see that this is the exact same system, the exact same funnel that you're actually going to sign up through. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing you're doing to make these $2,000 commissions, just like our team is doing. So we're all using the same funnel. So what will happen is basically when you take this link, and I like to actually take this link here and I put it in a notepad file so I keep it handy. You want to focus on getting clicks to this link, because the more traffic or clicks you send to this high converting funnel, the more people will go through the same process and they will upgrade at the Vertex Live level, and you will earn those $2,000 instant commissions. Now, like I said right here, receive 200 clicks of traffic. What my team and I are doing for you is when you join at the Vertex Live level, you're not just getting a high converting funnel, you're also going to get 200 clicks of top tier traffic. So what myself, if you join through me, or one of my teammates are going to do, whoever you join through, they're going to take your link, okay, so you will give us your link, and we will go ahead and buy top tier traffic, and we will send 200 clicks of top tier traffic from real people to your funnel link, okay? And what will happen is people will start going to this funnel right here, top tier people, people from the United States, Canada, people with money to invest into an affiliate program. They will go to this page, they will put in their name and email, and then they will start getting followed up with. We also have pre-written emails that can start following up with your leads, doing all the telling and selling for you, so you can start to make these commissions, okay? So once you join, okay, you should receive an email that will have a link to join our private Facebook group, okay, our private Facebook team group. Now, once you join our group, all you have to do is look at this top pinned post, and this has fast start guides. So you can see, access your high converting funnel. I just kind of explained how to do that, but there will be a training right there, very simple, few minutes video walking through how to find your funnel link, how to access our 14-day email series, so how to import your funnel or import those emails into your funnel to start following up with your leads. If you're at the Vertex Live level, learn how to activate your 200 traffic clicks. So this training shares with you how to submit your funnel link so you can start getting those 200 clicks of traffic. So again, the last step is really start the sign up process, my friend. It's really, really simple. This is the best high ticket affiliate program you can join, simply because, one, we're going to be giving you the clicks, giving you the resources to succeed, but also because of the compensation plan. Again, you're going to be getting paid instant, close to 100% commissions. So all you have to do is go to the link below, start the process, follow this training, and you can start to set yourself up for these commissions. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them below under this video, and also be sure to check out future videos to really learn how to master affiliate marketing as well. Thanks so much for watching, my friend. Take care, and I'll talk soon.